Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get this Valentine goddess look. So if you want to know how to get this look, just keep watching. First, I'm going to prime my eyelid with my concealer, and then I'm going to set it with setting powder. Using my Sweet Peach palette, I'm going to warm up my crease with the color Peach Pit, which is a dark brownish plum color. Using my chocolate gold palette, I'm going to pack on the color New Money, which is a hot pink shimmer color. I'm only applying this color to the outer and inner portion of my top and bottom lids, while leaving a gap in the middle of both my top and bottom lids. To make the pink more intense, I apply a touch of color using my finger. Using my peach palette with my finger, I'm going to apply the color Just Peachy to the top and bottom lid, filling in the gap we left. Going back with the blending brush after cleaning it off, I'm going to just blend around the edges of the shadow. Next, we apply Rollin' in Dough on the brow bone and sweep a little of the leftover around the outer edge of the pink. Apply a white eyeliner on your waterline and a black eyeliner on your lash line and blend it out. Taking the color Rich Girl, highlight the inner corner of your eye and drag it up above the inner portion of where you applied your pink shadow. Apply mascara to your top and bottom lashes. I am applying NYX Glitter Primer on where I want to apply the glitter under my eye. Then I'm taking a brush and packing the NYX glitter on top where I applied my primer. Now we're going to apply pink blush and a pink highlighter. The highlighter I'm using is Pink Opal from Kat Von D's Alchemist Holographic palette. And I apply this to the top of my cheekbones, above my brows, cupid's bow, and slightly on the nose. And by the way, the nose highlight accidentally cut off. For our lips, we are using a metallic pink lipstick. This one I am using is the Kat Von D Everlasting Glimmer Veil Liquid Lipstick in the color Razzle. And here is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. You guys can comment also what you'd like to see next.